Today we have Vivaan Behl. Good afternoon, Vivaan.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
And he is now in grade 2 and attempting the addition of a double-digit number. The double-digit number that he's choosing is 97, and this he does till 50 times. Is that so, Vivaan?
Yes, ma'am.
So are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So let us start. Okay, tell me the start.
97 194 291 388 485 582 679 776 873 972.
Very good.
1067 1164 1261 1358 1455 1552 1649 1746 1843 1940.
Good.
2037 2134 2231 2328 24 25 25 22 26 19 2716 2813 29 29 300
2910. Then
3007
right.
3114
Right. 3.
3201
Right.
3398 3395
Oh, 3492.
3492
Then
3589 3686 3783 3880
right.
3977
Right.
40 4174
Then
4171 4268 4365 4462 4558 4656. 4753. 4850.
Right.
49. 49.
This is your 96.
5047.
So 4850. This is still 50 length. So let us call it off here only. And you did so well. Okay, one. Good boy. Good boy. Keep working and doing better. Good boy.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.